Hey everyone, here we have our university self-image data set in JASP, and we're going to do descriptive analysis. We're going to start with our continuous items. We can see that these are currently listed as ordinal, which works for the moment. These are showing that they are scale. If you're not sure, you double click this little guy right here, scale, ordinal, nominal. School level is also ordinal, program type, and political views are nominal. There's no order to those categories. Again, we're going to be using items 1 through 7 as a special situation where we can use a rating scale as a continuous item. And we're going to start with all of our continuous items at the same time. So go to Descriptives, Descriptive Statistics. We're going to put in our items, mean, and GPA all at once. And as soon as it can catch up, it's going to give us our tables right over here. The two main things we're looking for here is mean and standard deviation. We are also looking for skewness value, which is not included standard. So we're going to scroll down over here, check skewness. Now I have mean, standard deviation, and my skewness values. I'm going to scroll down over here. And I'm going to go ahead and do distribution plots and display density. While that's catching up, again, we have item 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way through all of our information. You can copy these tables into Word and edit them, which is much nicer. And we have all of our visualizations right here. Again, you can copy all of this pretty easily to Word, or even just straight export results to Word, and then you can edit everything over there, which is really nice. So that is everything that we would need for our continuous items. What about our categorical items? We instead are going to go up here to frequencies, binomial, and we are going to add our categorical information over here. And what this gives us is our counts and our percentages. So this helps us describe school level 1 is undergrad, master's, PhD. We can see we had 8% that were docs. I guess it's not necessarily a PhD. Doctoral level, we've got about 17% that is master's level, and we have 75% that is undergrads, and all the way through. But this is not the best way. The plots that this gives are kind of awful. I don't like them. So instead, we're going to go back to descriptives up here, and we are going to put in our guys right here. It is going to know based on how we categorized our variables with the little circles or the little graph what this information is. This right here is wrong. We don't want to use the mean and standard deviation for categories. We use the frequencies that we just found. But I'm going to go down here to plots and distribution plots. And what that gives me is all of my bar charts very, very quickly. So this is a really nice, quicker way to get bar charts in JASP. Just don't use this one up here. We're going to go all the way back up to our frequency table for our categorical information.